All right, let's take a look at solving a two-step equation. Now, there's 5 steps over here listed out. They're very wordy. I mean, it's a lot on the screen. I get that when you see it all, it's kind of be like, whoa, okay, this is a lot. But let's go through it step by step. So the first thing is you want to find the variable, the letter. Now, that probably seems obvious or silly even, but the idea is that our focus is going to be on this side of the equation first. Like we're not even really thinking about the 11 at this point. We just want to look at the other side of the equation as we go through step 2. So as we're doing that, we're going to add or subtract the number that's being added on the same side of as the variable. So over here, think about it. Is the variable divided by 4 plus 8. So which one's being added or subtracted? It's not the 4. So we're not doing anything with that 4 initially. The plus 8 is what we're going to do something with because it's being added. If it had been minus 8, we would be doing something with that minus 8. So we want to make it 0. We want to make it equal 0. So think about how to make 8 equal 0. Well, you take 8 away from it. That would give you 0, right? And if we do to one side, we're going to do to the other side. So we subtract 8 from both sides. 11 minus 8 is 3. And I'm just bringing down the rest of it, p over 4. Okay, so we've done the first 3 steps. Now we're going to multiply or divide whatever, coefficient we have here. So it says p over 4. That means p divided by 4. Well, to solve an equation, you just do the opposite. So instead of divide by 4, we're going to multiply by 4. And whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. So that way we get rid of the 4s. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we have p equals 4 times 3, which is 12. And that's it. That's our solution. So, if this is 12, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. So it works. All right. I hope that helps. Solving equations can be challenging, but this is just one more example for you to kind of think through the process. See you next time.